Hi, it's Donna Vio here from the Masquerade, and I have a couple of small projects to show you that I'm going to be working on and teaching it the next couple of weeks, April 9th to the 13th. So the first project is going to be on the 9th, and it's going to be watermelon placemats. Let me show you. And here they are, watermelon placemats. You can do them like citrus if you want. I have them in different colors. That's the 9th of April. And then on the 10th of April, we have a small quilt project called Arizona Cactus. And here's that one. Mine's done in some Tula Pink fabrics. And I put an extra border on it with the extra pieces that came in the pattern. And then on the 11th, in the evening, we're doing haystack cookies. I call my pillow from just 4 of these little units a little bit of sunshine. And that's about what we'll get done in the short evening class. And then on the 12th, another small project, stained glass. But look, you can do it in different colors and make it look completely different. That one really looks like stained glass. You can use more and more and more of the pieces from the Charm Element 15 pack and put them all together and make a king-size quilt if you want. So you can start small, and if you like it, just keep adding on. And then the last class for the week on the 13th is this little beauty called Pocket Compass. And I'm going to show you that you can add borders to it and make it super fun and 60 inches big. Right now it measures in at 40 inches. You can add a border and make it 60. You can remove this border and put a bigger border in its place and make it 50 inches. There's all kinds of things you can do with it. Want to see what it looks like with the added border? It's really small, and then all of a sudden it gets so much bigger. And it's a lot of fun because there's a lot of different borders available. So that's going to be on Saturday the 13th. All of these classes are going to be on Zoom. I hope that you can join me, and I'm looking forward to meeting a lot of you.